Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do an I-cord with just like finger knitting, finger weaving, whatever you want to call it. You can go out and buy special looms just for I-cords, or if you use a regular loom, you can just use two pegs and essentially do the same thing I'm going to do. Okay, so you take your yarn, put a little tail down in between two fingers, and then you wrap around, and all you're doing is a figure 8 stitch. Like that. Pull the back over the front, and that's all you do until it gets to the length you want. You can already see it starting to form. And this is a super bulky weight yarn, size 5. And there you have it. That's all you do. Now when you are done, and of course my scissors are not, oh, there they are. Okay, and when you get the I-cord, as long as you want, clip the string off. We're just doing a tiny one here. What I do is put both, and then just pull the string through, and you are done. That is a quick way to make an I-cord. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below.